Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone or iPad connected to Wi-Fi but not connecting to the internet. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your device. So for the restart device, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So then drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after this, open lock screen, and then the next solution is turn on airplane mode and turn this off again. So turn on, turn off again, and then the next solution is check your Wi-Fi connection. So forget and reconnect again. So after this the next solution is reset your network settings. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and tap on reset network settings. So after this, go back. So guys, and then the last solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open setting, tap on general, tap on software update here. So guys, check for update and update your iPhone to the next iOS version. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.